Welcome to the JM News channel. J-mount bracket for antennas. Know that it is a J-type support to install antennas. The J-mount bracket is used in the installation of receiving and transmitting antennas. It is composed of a J-shaped tube, as its name indicates, with a dimension of 18 inches long. In the installation kit there is a set of screws for its installation. Material: it is made of iron, which allows greater resistance. It has an iron base, which offers an articulated movement of 180 degrees, used to adjust the installed antenna. Advantage: one of the advantages it offers is that it can be installed vertically, horizontally, and inclined. Easy installation. Wait soon for the video with the simulation of the installation of a TV antenna for a family home. Articulated J-type support for antennas. Thank you for visiting the JM News channel. We invite you to subscribe.